In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the current week number in bubble.io. We're going to place a text element on your page that automatically shows the current week of the year, and we'll do it using Bubble's dynamic data and date formatting. Start by heading to bubble.io and sign in with your own user credentials. Once you're in, select the app where you want to add this feature. That will take you into the editor. At the top of the editor, make sure you're on the Design tab, and this is where you control what appears on the page. On the left, open the Visual Elements section. Find the text element and drag it onto your page. You can drop it anywhere for now. You can always reposition or style it later. With the text element selected, look to the right-hand property panel. You'll see a content box for the text. Instead of typing static text, click Insert Dynamic Data. This tells Bubble that the content should come from live values rather than something hard-coded. From the options that appear, choose Current Date, Time. That gives us a date object representing the user's current time. Next, we'll format it so it shows a week number. Immediately after selecting the current date and time, click the Formatted as option attached to that expression. A formatting pop-up will appear. Click Change to switch to a custom format, then choose Custom. In the Custom Format field, type in uppercase W, just a single letter. Case matters here. Uppercase W is the token that returns the week number of the year. When you're done, click Save. Your text element now evaluates the current date and displays only the week number. Because it's dynamic, it updates automatically based on the user's device time and time zone. If you want the display to be clearer for viewers, you can add a label around the dynamic expression, such as typing week followed by the dynamic value, so it reads more naturally. You can also style the text element with fonts, colors, or size in the same right-hand panel to make it stand out on your page. A quick tip: if you're collaborating across regions, remember that current date and time are based on the viewer's time zone, which can affect when the week increments. The uppercase W format uses the standard week of year convention, so you get a clean number like 1, 12, or 52 without extra characters. That's it, you've added a dynamic text element that shows the current week number of the year in Bubble, formatted exactly the way you want.